responsible AI is one of the very buzzwords these days, but it has been with since the concept of AI itself was born. I am Debanjan Sengupta. I am working for Medidata brand under Dassault Systèmes Research Lab, R&D, and I am working in the capacity of a platform and administration architect at Medidata. This is not my profession, I would say. This is also my passion. So anything and everything that is related with my work and my passion, obviously, artificial intelligence is one of those stuff that has been a buzzword for quite some few years, and I have been learning that from my college days. That was my elective subject as well. Past couple of years, it's really been into the market. A lot of buzzwords have been introduced and people are really getting curious. So obviously I was a lot curious. The faculty and the curriculum is very impressive, I would say, and the depth that the faculty explains the topic with, and with hands-on exercises, quizzes, and additional learning materials. The materials are really good, by the way, and the presentations, everything, along with a little bit of proactiveness, you can do a whole lot. And right now I am mentoring more than thousands of people, so I would say the course curriculums are really, really impressive and really transforming. I would say prompt engineering, because that's where it all starts. That's the language that you interact with a GenAI system, and how you are crafting your language, because it's nothing different than programming. It's like how to solve a problem, how to tell the machine that this is the problem that I have. The most fascinating thing about AI is something that I get pretty skeptical about also. Anything and everything that comes with an artificial tag makes me curious and as well as skeptical. So I want to know the limit of it, the AGI that we are trying to reach. A lot of industries are really doing it right, bringing the technology, training their people so that they can leverage the technology as their assistant. The most important thing is that how to augment an LLM with your private data. Me being working in a healthcare industry, we deal with a lot of private and confidential data. We have to be compliant with a lot of protocols. So that is kind of an invaluable lesson for me. These technologies are really, really powerful. You will be, if you are grasping it well, obviously you have to be a little bit proactive. A standalone course will not teach you everything. You have to keep yourself updated. But having said that, a lot of power will give you a lot of responsibility as well.